Good morning everyone. In previous class we discussed about the atmospheric excavation siphon off part and upstream side and downstream side drop it part. In this class we discuss about the wing wall part. So we know here wing wall is used 4 numbers, right? This is one number, this is also one number, then this is one number, this is also one number. Total number of wing wall is used 4 numbers. Okay, so first of all we need to calculate the wing wall length and wing wall breadth and height. So here wing wall length is provided. How much? The length is provided 1.30. It is from this point to this point distance. Okay, the length is provided 1.30 and the breadth of wing wall is provided 1.00, which is clearly indicate here. The breadth is 1.00 and length is 1.30. And what is the height of wing wall? The height we know, we consider from the bottom of the foundation to the ground level. Okay, so the bottom of the foundation to the ground level distance is 1.60, which is equal to the siphon dog distance. Okay, so the wing wall quantity is 4 into 1.30 into 1.00 into 1.60, which is equal to 8.32. The total quantity of earthwork in excavation and foundation is 61.11 cubic. Okay, then after that we go into the cement concrete part. Okay, here the second part is cement concrete. The cement concrete for siphon dog, for drop pit and for wing wall. So here in case of cement concrete part, the drop pit is considered not considered separately for upstream side, for downstream side. It is considered as 2 numbers. So because here the height is not varied, because cement concrete is height is constant for upstream side, for downstream side also. So we consider the drop pit is 2 numbers directly. So first of all we discuss about the siphon dog part. So we know in case of excavation and the cement concrete is the most of similarities, only the height is varied. So we cannot discuss the length and breadth of the siphon duct and the drop pit and the wing wall separately. Okay, so we can put the siphon duct length and drop pit length and wing wall length and breadth is equal to the excavation part. So first of all the siphon duct is 1 number and the length is 8.00 and breadth is 2.70, which is equal to the excavation length and breadth. And the height of cement concrete, which is clearly indicate here. The cement concrete thickness is how much? Of 0.30. Okay, so for cement drop pit also 0.30, for wing wall also 0.30, for siphon duct also 0.30. So here 0.30 put here. Then we going through the drop pit part. We already discussed the here the height is not varied. So in case of cement concrete, so drop pit is considered as 2 directly. So the length is equal to the cement excavation length, which is 2.25, and breadth is also equal to the excavation breadth, which is 2.70, and height is 0.30. So the total quantity of drop pit is 2 into 2.25 into 2.70 into 0.30. It is total equal to 3.64. Then we are going through the wing wall part. Same, the wing wall length and breadth is equal to the excavation part. So wing wall number is 4 and length is 1.30 and breadth is 1.00 and height is 0.30, which is equal to the siphon duct and drop pit height. Okay, so the total quantity of wing wall, which is 4 into 1.30 into 1.00 into 0.30, the total quantity is 1.56. So the cement concrete total quantity is 6.48 plus 3.64 plus 1.56. It is equal to 11.68 cubic. Okay, so after that we are going through the first class brickwork in cement monta with ratio 1:4. So first of all we need to know what is the first class brickwork is provided. Okay, in case of siphon dog wall, the brickwork is provided. In case of drop it, so brickwork is provided. In case of wing wall, also brickwork is provided. So first of all, we going through the diagram and check that is the brickwork is provided. Here the siphon duct, here this side also brickwork provided and this side also brickwork provided. And in case of drop it, in case of three side, the brickwork also provided, both upstream and both downstream side. And in case of wing wall, these are the footings which is the brickwork is provided. Okay, so first of all we discuss about the siphon duct. In case of siphon duct, in case of two side, the brickwork is provided. So first of all we need to check what is the length of the brickwork. Okay, so here the siphon duct number is 2 numbers. The length is equal to the excavation length, which is 8.00 meter. Okay, and breadth is how much? The brickwork breadth is clearly indicated there, which is 0.30. Okay, 0.30. And height is how much? It is the height of from the bottom to from the above the cement concrete to the bottom of the RCC slab. So we need to check what is the height of the brickwork. So here the height of the brickwork is clearly indicate we can find out from the section EF, which is 0.90. Okay, 0.90. So siphon duct length is 8.0 and breadth is 0.3 and height is 0.90. Then we are going through the drop it part. So in case of drop it, here upstream side drop it and downstream side drop it is provided, which is the height is varied. Okay, so in case of drop it, here in case of upstream side, long side is available and short side is available. The total number of side is available in upstream side drop it is 3 numbers, and total number of side is available in downstream side drop it is also 3 numbers. So in case of upstream side drop it, long side it is 2 numbers, and upstream side drop it, short side is 1 number. Same in case of downstream side drop it, long side 2 number, and drop it downstream side, short side also 1 number. Okay, so you need to check what is the length of the long side and what is the length of short side. So here it is a drop it length is how much? Length is 1.80 plus 0.3, which is 2.10. Okay, and breadth is how much? Breadth is 1.80. Okay, 1.80. So 2 numbers are already considered. So only the remaining person, which is 1.80. The length is 2.10 and 2.10 for long side and 1.80 for short side. Okay, so we need to check here. So length is 2.10 for long side and 1.80 for short side for upstream side, and for downstream side also the downstream long side length is 2.10 and short side length is 1.80, which is equal to the upstream side. Okay, and breadth is 0.30. It is the brickwork breadth. Okay, so for long side and for short side also, and we need to check what is the long side upstream side drop it height and what is the downstream side drop it height. So we can check from the cross section for upstream side and for the downstream side. Here the height from the drop it 102.10 bed level minus the height of the position of the cement concrete position is how much? 100.80. The 102.10 minus 100.80, it is equal to 1.30. Okay, so here clearly indicate here 102.10 minus 100.80, it is equal to 1.30. So we can check the downstream side drop it position. The downstream side position of ground level is 101.90 minus 100.80, it is equal to 1.10. Okay, 1.10. So the option side drop rate long side value is 2 into 2.10 into 0.30 into 1.30, it is equal to 1.60. On upstream side drop rate short side 1 into 1.80 into 0.30 into 1.30, it is equal to 0.70. And downstream side drop rate long side value is 2 into 2.10 into 0.30 into 1.10, it is equal to 1.39. And downstream side drop rate short side 1 into 1.80 into 0.30 into 1.10, it is equal to 0.59. It is the total value of drop rate. Okay, then so today time is over. The remaining part we discuss in next class.